Let's have a look. TRVL MCAP is there, and Airbnb MCAP is let's just use that figure. So TRV MCAP is 3.3 million. Airbnb MCAP is 73.6 billion. How much increase in terms of X multiplier would it take for TRVL to overtake Airbnb? Let's see what AI says. This is the big question. Drum roll. Okay, do all the code for me. I don't need to know. I could do quick answer. Oh my God, long. Perfect, look at that. TRVL would need to increase by a factor of 22,234x. See that? So, therefore, following from the previous answer, if I invested 1,000 USD into TRVL now and HODLed, held until TRVL overtook Airbnb's current market cap, how much would my investment be? Another drum roll. Drum roll. Who's gonna bring the drum roll? Okay, see that? So if you invest $1,000 into TRVL now, and TRVL was able to overtake Airbnb's current market cap at 73 billion, and this is for the future. This is a long hold. Yeah, this I'm not talking about next week. I'm talking about buying $1,000 worth of TRVL and just not thinking about it for the next, whenever, 5-10 years. And TRVL was to overtake Airbnb's current market cap. Who knows about the future, but the current market cap. Then your $1,000 becomes $22 million. Yeah, do you see that? And I'm telling you that my mission is to overtake Airbnb. That's my mission. And I think it's possible. I don't see why not, because it's a decentralized app which cuts out Airbnb and does exactly the same thing, but more. It gives power to the people. It gives power to hosts. It gives power to people to take over their own business. And we haven't really even started yet. We have so much that we can do to make this significantly better. And that comes along for the future, near future, hopefully, when D-Travel becomes a DAO, when the tokenomics change and it becomes a more compelling reward system based on a token economy, based on a Bitcoin model instead of whatever the tokenomics was proposed as before. There's lots of things happening, and then we're going to add reviews, we're going to add more payment options, you know. So much is happening behind the scenes, and this is the future. And so just watch this space. I do think if people are kind of like, even if you do sell, it's always worth kind of just hodling a little bit for the future, just because of this, yeah. And so I'm here in El Salvador. My mission is to just push and promote D-Travel and take it to Central South America. Once we achieve that, I think D-Travel will go viral. I think once we achieve our targets and goals in El Salvador, D-Travel TRVL will go viral. And so that's kind of why I keep on talking. That's why I keep on doing my stream, because for many years, you know, no one really paid attention to Bitcoin, and then suddenly the whole world's talking about Bitcoin. And I think we have a real opportunity with D-Travel. Competition exists. It doesn't matter. Competition just makes you better, makes you work harder, makes you stronger. So that's my TRVL D-Travel update. Pretty short.